gotta hold it.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
All right.
Put in. All the way in. Good.
Thank you.
Good job. Are you guys ready? Gonna take it. Special baby bird for you, my dear. Thanks for giving me $5. I appreciate it. Good job. Hey. Good
We
job.
should get one of those at your house, huh, honey?
Thank you.
There you go.
Should we get one of those at your house?
Good job, Lily.
No.
Good job, Lily. Thank you so
That
much.
can do it. You can
Good job, Lily. Thanks. I'm getting tired of this. Oh, she never gets tired of it. Good girl, Lily. You ready? Oh, good job. And thank you so much. We really appreciate it. There's your baby bird. Thanks, guys. Hey, bud. You ready? Oh, get it, Lil. Get it. Good job,
Yay!
bud. Good job. Are you ready? Perfect. Oh, Lily, what do you do with it? What do you do with it? Oh, she's so silly. And here's that special baby bird. Lily's going to have the tag. Good job, Lil. Good job.
Bye-bye.
All right.
You want to put it right there? Oh, good job. Way to go. Where does it go, Lily? Where does it go? Oh, good. You didn't drop it. That was very good, Lily. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, good job. Thank you. You did so good. Are you ready? Oh, that's perfect. Lily, put it in.